Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by protecting your data and clearing obvious bottlenecks. First, back up important files so you can experiment safely. Once done, check your C. Drive and free at least 10% space by deleting large temp files and uninstalling unused apps. Make sure Windows Update is applied and restart. Pending updates often throttle performance. These initial steps reduce risk and remove easy slowdowns, so deeper fixes will work faster and with predictable results. Now you tackle internal clutter and corrupted components. Run disk cleanup or storage sense to remove caches and Windows upgrade leftovers. That reclaims space and I/O headroom. Next, open Task Manager, sort by CPU and disk on startup, and disable non-essential apps so boot uses fewer resources. Run a full antivirus scan to catch malware, then execute sfc/scano and dism restore health. They repair file corruption that silently slows system calls. These steps stabilize responsiveness and prevent repeat slowdowns. Finish by tuning for sustained speed and checking hardware. Set performance options to adjust visual effects for best performance or use a balanced profile to preserve appearance. Update GPU, chipset, and storage drivers from vendor sites rather than generic updates. Drivers affect throughput and latency. If issues persist, perform a clean boot to isolate software conflicts and test SSD health and RAM with diagnostic tools. If hardware fails, replacing the faulty component resolves remaining slowness. Otherwise, consider a reset or fresh install as last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.